am Suma Radheshyam. His father died of cancer, his mother suffered from cancer, and his sister is also a breast cancer survivor. Most of them cannot afford the treatment. So cost of treating one prevention is equal to saving 1,000 lives through prevention. Stomach cancer prevention in Shobha Trust. So she was detected of breast cancer. And awareness is very, very important. It was really heartfelt, and I don't believe in going to any extremes. I am Suma Radheshyam. I am the co-founder of Samprada Hospital and Shobha Trust together. So myself and Dr. Radheshyam together started Samprada Hospital about 4 years ago. And our main intention was to start Shobha Trust, and Samprada Hospital was required to help support Shobha Trust. So Shobha Trust was actually founded by Dr. Radheshyam because he is a medical oncologist with 30 years of experience in treating cancers. So he has experienced a wide range of patients, their problems as a doctor. But back home, his father died of cancer, his mother suffered from cancer, and his sister is also a breast cancer survivor. So there he was involved as a family member, as a doctor, as a financial supporter. So it gave him a comprehensive outlook of how cancer seems if it comes to a family. So that's where we decided that prevention is the key. Because cancer is a huge financial burden on most of the families, and especially in the rural areas and the underprivileged, most of them cannot afford the treatment. So instead of funding or helping cancer patients with treatment, we said we will start prevention, because the cost of treating one prevention is equal to saving 1,000 lives through prevention. So that's where the idea of prevention came from, and then from then we started setting up Shobha Trust. And of course, we initially started with cancer prevention in all areas. Then we realized that there's a lot of work which has already happened with cervical cancer, oral cancers, breast cancer. Breast cancer is mostly curable now. So then Dr. Radheshyam came up with the idea that stomach cancer is not being looked into anywhere, because it is a cancer of the underprivileged, and it's a cancer which is easy to detect and treat if found in early stages. But most of them come during very late stages, where it is the cure is difficult to attain, and also financial burden on the families is heavy, and most of them cannot afford the treatment at all. So this is where the concept of just focusing on stomach cancer came in. So we are doing a lot of research-based activities on stomach cancer. We are in the process of doing a lot of research-based activities. We are also conducting a pilot study on 100 patients, and we want to frame these preventive programs in a very scientific manner, and it has to be purely research-based. So this pilot study actually will help us form a proper SOP for the program in the rural areas, and also it will give us enough data for us to be very sure before we enter the rural areas and start working on them. So this is the concept of stomach cancer prevention in Shobha Trust. See, a lot of people assume that I am healthy, I don't have any problem, so why should I just go and get screening done? So see, cancer doesn't come knocking at anybody's door, right? So it is very important for us to be aware of the symptoms. Sometimes there are no symptoms at all. Like for example, we've had one such beneficiary while we were screening. She had absolutely no symptoms, and she went through the regular screening along with the other people in the community. So she was detected of breast cancer, but the important thing was that during the screening program, she was detected with breast cancer. She was diagnosed. She was brought in here through Shobha Trust. We funded her treatment, and her treatment was much easier. It was done at a reasonable cost. So there was no financial burden. Physically, she tolerated it very well because it was in a very early stage. The treatment went through very smoothly. So today she is almost cured of cancer, fully cured of cancer, I would say. In fact, she was also one of our participants here today, and she had absolutely no symptoms, a lower socioeconomic status, and she had two children who were of the age of 7 and 5. So it came as a shock to them because they said that we couldn't have thought about cancer treatment at all. So they're very happy today that she's she's surviving, she's living a quality life, she's able to go out, work, earn for her family, and she's doing good. So these are some of the benefits of screening and early detection. And awareness is very, very important. It's important for us to be aware and do our regular health checkups, go through the screening once over the age of 40, at least once a year. So all these things are very important.
What are the ways that public can support this particular cause, like the Shobha?
See, public can support the cause in various ways, right? So to go to these rural villages and to conduct these screening camps there, it's a huge work. So we welcome the public to support us morally, and spend some time, whatever time they have, they can spend some time volunteering with Shobha Trust. It would be of great use, and spread the word about the cancer prevention work that Shobha Trust is doing, and help us in all possible ways through donations and through volunteering, and also through helping us build a team for Shobha Trust. Today's event was wonderful. I really felt happy, especially with the cancer survivors coming and talking about their experience. It was really heartfelt, and it gives a lot of satisfaction to the work that you're doing, and also to see veteran marathon runners, one 97-year-old and one 83-year-old. It's really inspiring, and probably it gives us more inspiration for us to be like them, and also to ensure that people around us also feel the same. So I think drilling in age is just a number into everyone is very, very important.
How to keep us healthy, how to keep us motivated?
I would suggest that follow your basic lifestyle, a good healthy diet, physical exercise of at least 1 hour every day, which is very important. I don't believe in going to any extremes. So portion control, good health, good diet, and 1 hour of physical exercise. And over the age of 40, please ensure that you do your screening, and visit your doctor immediately when you have a problem, and don't wait for things to get worse.
Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.